Thanks very much. Dipan, of course, is still with us. Dipan, I don't know if you track the company. If you do, I mean, welcome to comment. Another one which I'm not sure you have a view on is a company called Nureka, which basically houses the Dr. Trust medical devices business. Last 2 days, 30% on very large volumes as well. I don't know if you have a view, you've looked at it.
Yeah, Prashant, you caught me on the wrong foot here. Don't
On
really
both,
closely
huh?
track any of these two companies per se. But
Okay.
real estate I'm very positive on. But my
Mm.
preference is for the larger companies operating in key metropolises like Macrotech as well as DLF. I think they'll be able to generate far greater alpha than some other smaller players. And it's a more de-risk business model with many projects and a significant land bank and a clear preference to be a joint development partner for many of these smaller builders. So I think that's the way I would like to play real estate with the larger players over there per se.
Okay, all right. We have a lot of auto numbers that kickstart today, Dipan. There's Maruti, there's TVS Motor. Expected to be a pretty strong showing, at least for Maruti. For TVS, there's once again that export pressure kicking in. Tomorrow, there's Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto. I know this is not a space that you like, but anything in this space, there are ancillaries, there are tire companies, anything that's worth a mention ahead of numbers?
See, Sonia, in two-wheelers, you have to go for rather in auto, you have to go for the four-wheelers. So you could look at tractors, commercial vehicles, passenger vehicles. What is to be avoidable is the two-wheelers. So TVS Motors, Bajaj, Hero MotoCorp, we are completely avoiding. Only company we like in two-wheelers is Eicher Motors, and you can look at the numbers when they come, it will be pretty decent. And within the four-wheelers, the top preference is M&M. I think the company has completely transformed itself and is far more focused, has got an exciting set of models, and the cost structure also is pretty much well in place. So I think amongst the best in class numbers should come from M&M, but Maruti also should do well. And within the auto ancillary preferences for companies like Uno Minda or Minda Corp, I think they've outperformed the industry by a huge margin. And I think that trend should continue going forward as well. But there are going to be many outperformances within the auto ancillary space as well, considering that after several years, we are seeing a nice upswing in volumes and growth for the sector as a whole.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take a quick break. When we come back from the break, we'll get back to talking about the markets and the big moves that you're expecting this morning. But let's tell you what's lined up in the next half hour of the show. At 8:45, Anuj will be joining in for a quick trade setup. Post that, we will bring you the top stock picks for the day from our technical and F&O experts. Following this, Prashant will bring you the Market Laser segment where we will analyze one stock and even a sector through a technical lens. And before the market opens,